It is day 9 of our 2023 New Year's Challenge. Hey friends, it's Kate here. Thanks so much for joining me today. Now we are in the middle of a challenge. If you are new here, you can go back and find the first video right up there somewhere, but you can always join in at any time and repeat any class you want to because each one is still a standalone class. Now this week our theme or our mantra is I accept that the process can be hard. Now one thing that I know so many of us do find challenging or hard when it comes to self-care, to exercise, to wellness is finding the time to do it. And this class really shows that you don't have to have a lot of time. It's a 10-minute full body class. Now this 10-minute class really proves that you do not need a lot of time to make sure that you are strengthening your whole body. In just 10 minutes, you're really going to feel this through your legs, your arms, your abs. We don't need a lot of time to care for our bodies. Just a few minutes a day here and there can make a massive difference. This is a barre-style class and I do use a set of 3-pound weights. You are more than welcome to use the weights or skip it. You'll still get a wonderful upper body workout even without them. Go ahead, roll out your mat. Let's get started. Let's start standing, feet about hip distance apart, broaden across the chest. Take an inhale, reach your hands high. Exhale, flip the palms, push them down. Again, big inhale, reach your hands high. Exhale, push them down. One more time, both hands lift, gaze goes with you. Exhale, push it down, pause. Let's take a nice wide stance. Externally rotate your legs, put a soft bend in the knees. Start to wrap your tummy muscles in, feeling your abdominal muscles work to lift you out of the waist. Take your hands out and away. 5 times, straighten the legs, squeeze your inner thighs towards one another, rebend the knees. Straighten the legs, rebend the knees. 3 more, straighten and bend. 2 more, straighten and bend. Last one, bend and pause. Reach your fingertips further away. Pretend there's a table underneath you and push down into your table. Think about the back of your thighs reaching to the wall behind you. Take a nice big inhale. As you exhale, sit a little bit deeper. If we can, we'll pick up our right heel 5 times. Lift 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, pause. Left heel, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, pause. Side to side, right heel, left heel, right heel, left heel. For 3 and 2, last one. Pause, both heels down, stand tall and straight, turn all 10 toes to face the front of your room. Reach your hands high once more. Exhale, flip the palms, push them down, tuck your chin to your chest, bend your knees, drop into an easy forward fold and dangle for a moment. Nod the head yes, shake it no. Roll yourself all the way up to standing. We have an option here. No weights or grab your weights. Totally your call. Again, externally rotate your legs. Take a soft bend in the knees. Lift out of the waist. Now reach your arms out and away. I want you to point your elbows back behind you. Take your hands in a circle right now, right in front of you. Notice if your elbows are drooping. Can you poke them away? Could we wrap our shoulder blades back? Slide the hands away from the body. Exhale, hug them back together. Slide the hands away. Exhale, hug them back together. 3 more, open. Exhale, close. 2 more, open. Exhale, close. This time, open and pause. Our elbows are pointing behind us. Rotate so they point down. Rotate so they point behind you. Rotate down. Rotate up. Rotate down. Rotate up. For 3 and 2. Last one, hold it right there. Take a little seat, maybe a little deeper. Take a big inhale. Exhale, now make a circle over the head. Drop both elbows down. Exhale, circle over the head. Drop both elbows down. 3 more, exhale up. Inhale down. 2 more, exhale up. Inhale down. Last one, lift and pause. Make that lovely little circle over your head, and now bring the arms down in front of you. You can touch the weights together. Lift a little out of the waist. Now again, let's lift our right heel up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left heel. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Side to side. Right and left. Notice as you're lifting and lowering your heels, are you allowing your head to bob? Have you let your elbows fall down? Keep poking them away. One more set. Set both heels down, stand tall and straight. Bend both knees. Straighten the legs. Bend both knees. Straighten the legs. Last time, bend and pause. Navel in, chest open. Take a big inhale. Can you twist to your right without moving your legs? Inhale, look forward. Exhale, twist to your left. Look forward. As you twist, see if you can keep the weights in front of your sternum. 2 more. Little twist right. Little twist left. Back to center. Stand tall, drop the arms down, lift the ears higher. Now from here, we'll bend our elbows, push our hands away, drop everything down. Exhale, bend, push away, drop everything down. 3 more, exhale away and in. 2 more, exhale away and in. Last time, reach out, pause. Lift your ears higher, maybe sit a little lower, take a full big inhale. Exhale, drag the weights towards one another, slide them apart. Exhale, pull the hands together, slide them apart. 3 more, pull them in and out. 2 more, in and out. Last one, bring it out, pause, take a big breath, let it go. Set your weights on the floor. We will come down to our mat. Shoulders down the back. You might need to move your weights further away from your body. Take your hands by your side, shoulders down the back, imprint your spine. Pick up your right toe. If you can, pick up the left as well. Squeeze the inner thighs together, wrap the tummy in. I want you to externally rotate your legs and then bring them back together. Externally rotate your legs, bring them back together. 2 more, rotate open and close. Last one, open and pause. I'm trying to reach the back of my thighs to the wall away from me. Are you arching your back? Can you wrap the tummy in? Can we hold that external rotation? Right toe down. Let's switch our legs back and forth for 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause, toes together. Navel and chest open. Keep pointing your nose to the sky. This time, drop the left leg first. Little switches. 4, 3, 2, 1. Toes back together. Navel and chest open. Right toe down. Again, we switch. 4, 3, 2, 1. Toes back together. Last time, left toe down to start. Switch. 4, 3, 2, 1. Toes back together. Keep externally rotating the legs, wrapping the tummy in. If we want a little additional work, we will grab one weight, holding it between both of our hands. Push the weight up. Take a big inhale. Can you exhale, curl and reach the weight between your legs? Drop the head and chest down. Exhale, lift and reach. Touch it right back down. 3 more, exhale, curl up and lower. 2 more, exhale, curl up and lower. Last one, lift up and pause. Navel in, chest open. Keep working your tummy muscles as hard as you can. If you need to set the head and chest down, go for it. If we want an additional challenge, try and touch your right leg down to the ground. Exhale, pick it up. Touch your left leg down to the ground. Exhale, pick it up. Right toe down. Exhale, lift. Left toe down. Exhale, lift. One more, right leg. Exhale up. Last one, left leg. Exhale up, just for fun. 3 times. Can you go both toes down? Exhale, both toes up. Both toes down. Exhale, both toes up. Last one, you got this. Exhale, lift, pause. Relax the feet. Set the head and chest down, move your weight away. Reach your hands over your head for a nice big stretch. Imprint your spine. Straighten your legs down the mat. Find that lovely big full body stretch. Let's pull our right knee into our chest. Give it a hug, give it a squeeze. Maybe circle your knee around both directions. Cross your right leg over to the left for a nice big twist. If you get a few back cracks, know that I did too. Come back. Take that leg away. Bring your opposite leg in. Big hug, big squeeze, and again, find some movement there if it feels nice. Be still if you prefer. When and if we want to, left leg over to the right side. I like to take my opposite hand away. Roll to your back once more. Reach hands and feet away. Big, deep, full inhale. Great big breath out. Roll to one side. Push yourself up to a seat. Give yourself a pat on the back. As always, thank yourself for doing something so good and just for you. Thanks for joining me for class today. I cannot wait to see you again.